Hello guys, good evening. Hello mga kagalit. So bibigyan ko lang kayo ng tips para mas magtagal pa ang relasyon ng magjowa o mag-asawa. So ganito lang yan. Dapat lagi kayong in love sa isa't isa. Mas mahalin ninyo ang kahinaan ng inyong asawa. At dapat laging maganda ang tingin nyo sa inyong asawa. Tingnan mo itong asawa ko, may kamukha itong Bini. May kamukha siyang Bini. Si Benigno Aquino.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide whenever